Here's how to join a round when working regular crochet in turned rounds. I will be as slow as you need me to be, and this assumes that you start with a standing double crochet or another standing stitch. I have a separate tutorial for that. When you finish your row, you want to slip stitch into the top of that standing double crochet. That means you have to find the two bars here at the top of the stitch that look exactly like those on the regular double crochet stitches. You insert the hook under these two bars. Okay, then you yarn over and draw up a loop and slip it off. This makes the slip stitch part of the end of the row. And now we are in the first stitch. Then we turn, and I like to turn counterclockwise, and we will work in the same stitch. And as before, we start with the standing double crochet stitch. We pull up a slightly taller loop and hold it with the thumb and yarn over using this loop. And then we insert the hook in the top of this stitch where we did the slip stitch. You can see that there are the two loops there. So insert the hook and make sure that that loop is still twisted there. Then we yarn over and draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull through two like this. Yarn over, pull through two. And then we continue with the pattern, whatever the pattern says. And at the end of the row, we will slip stitch into these two loops here, which are part of the standing double crochet. And that's it. Now you will not be able to see this seam in the finished project, except for this part at the beginning, and I like to open this up. This is the slip knot on the hook that you start with. So I like to take it out. And then weave in the end so that that piece is now uniform.